Welcome to the Login Page course in EZU. In this course, you will learn how to log into EZLynx, how to reset your password, and how to set up two-step verification. So, let's get started. The EZLynx login page has fields to enter your username and password, as well as the Forgot Password link, which will guide you through resetting your password if needed. Additionally, if you do not have two-step verification set up, the login page will prompt you to do so once entering your username and password. Let's start with the username and password fields. A username will be provided to you by your admin during the onboarding process. If you don't know what your username is, please contact your organization's admin. Once your EZLynx account has been created, you should receive a welcome email, which will have a link to set the password for your newly created account. This is the password you will enter on the login page of EZLynx, along with the username provided by your admin. Should you forget your password or if you get locked out of your EZLynx account, you can reset your password by clicking the Forgot Password link located beneath the password field on the login page. This will bring you to the Reset Password screen, where you'll be prompted to enter your username. Don't forget to check the box for the reCAPTCHA to confirm you're not a robot. Then click Reset Password. Next, you'll be directed to the Reset Email Sent screen, stating that your password reset link has been sent to the email on file for your account. Since the email comes from noreply@ezlynx.com, it may be necessary to check your spam or junk inbox to find it. The same is true for the two-step verification code emails, which we'll discuss later in this video. Once you receive the EZLynx password reset request email, click on the link in the email to reset your password. The link will bring you to a screen to enter your username and new password, as well as a confirm password field. After you've filled in these fields, click Change Password to continue logging into EZLynx. Now, let's move on to the two-step verification. If you have not set up the two-step verification methods for your account, you will be prompted to do so upon logging in. You will need a verification code every time you log in to EZLynx. To set up your verification methods, click Get Started. You'll also notice the back button. As you would expect, the back button will take you back to the login page. If you click on Get Started, you'll land on the page to set up verification using your mobile phone number to receive the code via text. Here, you can enter your mobile phone number and click Next to continue with the phone verification method. Using the text verification is the recommended EZLynx method. However, if you prefer not to use your phone number, you can select Choose Another option to go back to the main verification screen, where you can select the email option or Authenticator app instead. You can set up all three or choose one over another. Regardless of which option you choose, the next button will prompt the system to send you a text or email, depending on which method you set up, and you'll have 15 minutes to enter the code provided or it will expire. If you don't receive the code within the allotted 15 minutes, you can click Resend Code to try again. If you continue having issues with the code not being sent, use the Back button to ensure you've entered the correct phone number or email. If you opt for text verification, the phone number entered must be capable of receiving text messages. As soon as you receive your verification code, enter it into the designated field and click Next. If the verification code is correct, you will land on a screen saying your setup was successful. If you've only completed one verification method, you'll be offered the choice to set up the other method by clicking on Add Another Verification Method. This will bring you to the verification setup screen, which shows you what verification methods are set up. We highly recommend setting up 2 verification methods. However, if you choose not to set up a secondary verification option, you can click Continue here or Complete on the previous page, which will take you directly to your EZLynx account homepage. Please note that you can update or remove the phone number, email or authenticator associated with your account verification by clicking on the circle icon, with your initials at the top right. Then select User Settings and navigate to the Two-Factor tab. From here, you can add or remove a verification method. If you add text or email, it will be the same as shown before. If adding third-party authentication, you must first download an Authenticator app on your phone from your mobile app store. Please reach out to your admin or local IT for download and setup help for an Authenticator app on your mobile device if needed. Once downloaded, scan the QR code or enter in the key below. When ready, click Next. Here you will enter the code from your mobile device. With the code entered, click Save. This will confirm the Authenticator app. That wraps up this EZU course for the EZLynx login page. You should now have the knowledge needed to log in, reset your password, and set up two-step verification. Thanks for watching.